Yeah, my flock grew a bit in the last, this summer. Yeah, wow. I don't know how many I have now. It's well over 100 and something. Yeah, the next time they're up on the building or the wire, I'll have to get a zoom in and go floor to floor and count them. So many. Hello, Veronica. Hi, beautiful. It's one of my rescues as well. She's beautiful, isn't she? Yeah. She's tough as nails now, too. When she's up here with me, no other birds can come around. Yeah, I'm going to get her some food and hand feed her now. Hey, beautiful. Look at you. You saying hello? Hi. Everybody have a great day.